Alrighty, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing another recreation. So let me show you the picture that I do have. This is from Judastape on Instagram. So it's actually this over here. So I did oh, it's too dark. Hold on, let me. There we go. So I did do this eye. I'm not done with it really. I think I need to blend a little bit more. And yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and get started. I didn't do my eyebrows for this look. Sorry, that was so loud. I didn't do my eyebrows for this look because we're going to take so much space over the eyelid. And I feel like once you actually do your eyebrows with powder or dip brow, it's just gonna ruin it. So we're gonna go crazy. So we're just gonna start dabbing it all over the eyelid. We're going to be doing a lot of cut creases. Yeah, as you guys can see, we're doing a bunch of just removing stuff and adding stuff and then removing it. So be prepared using our micellar water, Vaseline, whatever you're going to do. So I'm going to be using these two palettes, the Anastasia, the Alyssa Edwards, which is this over here. We're going to be using a lot of the yellow, pink and purple, and then with the Cara, or I think it's Cara Beauty, which is called Life of the Fiestas. So let me take this yellow eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. We're just gonna start all the way to the front right here, and then working our way back over here. So who cares if we get it on our eyebrows? That's why I didn't do them in the first place. Alrighty, so let's go in with this hot pink. We're gonna start all the way right here. Okay, so I'm actually going to stop right here. I'm just going to add more of that pink. I want it to be a little bit more vibrant. So I'm going to stop halfway because we're going to be adding the green. Alrighty, so let's go ahead. And we're going to do it on top of the crease. Just a little bit above my natural crease, so like right here. You guys already know. You all know that I love doing these. Okay, I really don't like working with black eyeshadow. I feel like it's a little bit hard for me to work with since, I don't know, I feel like it's hard to blend. Yeah, so looks so horrible, but we're actually going to get rid of it. Just trust the process. And it looks really bad. I'm just trying to darken all of this up before I start erasing everything. Okay, I think this is good enough. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm just going to cut the crease and I'll be right back. Okay, alrighty you guys, so I didn't actually fill in the whole entire lid with the primer because we're gonna do half of it. We're gonna do, okay, explaining by half. I'm not gonna explain it because I suck at explaining things, but I'm gonna show you how. Oh, dang it, I messed with the lady. And my stomach, oh my god, I'm hungry you guys, I'm so sorry. Super duper hungry. Anyways, let's start adding the colors right here. Okay, let's do this. Alrighty, so let's start packing our color up in the front right here. Don't know what to call this, but I'm gonna be using the same brush whenever I'm packing my eyeshadows. So I think this is, what is this called? It removes Yeah, it removes all of the eyeshadow that is on the brush. You just swirl it around. You can still kind of see it a little bit, but it works good. It's very useful. Okay, I do apologize for the lighting because I look orange and then next thing you know I look normal and then back to orange, so I'm very, very sorry. Can you guys hear my cat snoring in the background? It's the cutest thing ever. Alrighty, so you know what? I think all I need to do is just add the base. I was gonna use my micellar water for this, but then I was like, okay, let's just save some time. Okay, we are finally back. Everything is just okay, crispy clean. Okay, so let's get started using more of those shades. I'm just gonna pack it on. I'm just trying my best to stay in the middle. Okay, so we're actually getting somewhere with this look, you guys. I am so freaking tired. It is 11:48. You guys are probably wondering, like, why are you filming so late? Well, it's because I have school that I do. Well, I don't do school like in person, just online, and then I have work. I usually feel like at night is when I have the most energy. I sleep super late. And it's because most of the time over here filming, which I don't mind. I mean, it distracts me, it keeps me busy. I'm coloring my hair at this point. I think I need to bring this black all the way up. Yeah, I need to bring it all the way up now. You know what? We're actually going to be cutting this. But later on, once we're done with the look. So it's not gonna look like this, it'll be more like this, really. Alrighty, so let's fill this in with some of that primer, okay? Be right back. Almost done. I am so done with this look. Like, I just wanna stop right here, but we're not gonna do that right now. So almost done, you guys. Let's go ahead and add our shades, the yellow, pink, purple down here. this going on, let me just add my foundation, concealer, and everything just so this look can be completed. And yep, I think this will be it for the look. So I'll be right back. So no, I do not do this whenever I go out in public. This is for Instagram and YouTube. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social medias at BRIAXO, and I'll see you guys next time.